Up in the air again. I don't think he's got enough. I don't think he's got enough. Oh, he has. It was a miscued shot. Stayed in the air for a long, long time. Allen was getting underneath it. He was chasing the ball. He is a tremendously powerful hitter of the ball. He had his heart in his mouth for a moment. The ball took the upper edge of the bat. Wasn't off the middle at all. But when Kushal Malla hits them, it remains hit. So the first ball has been hammered for the 6. Just the small one. Has he done it enough? He'll get a boundary. He will get a boundary. And Kushal Malla has got a 6 followed by a boundary. Great display of batting here from Kushal Malla.
Indeed, great display of batting power, and with great power comes great responsibility, as they say. Responsibility is all Kushal Malla's now to take Nepal to victory. 12 required, just of 10 deliveries. It's almost run a ball now.
If you are a Nepali cricket fan, this is the most soothing melody for you. Nepal, Nepal. What's going on in the crowd? They've lost the series already, but they want their team to win every match. They've come in numbers. Lucky runs, but Kushal will take them. Everything going Nepal's way now. Everything is going Nepal's way. 8 runs needed. Lucky boundary. But Kushal Malla will not mind it, neither will the Nepali fans.
Malla sights that ball. It hit top of the bat and flew simply over the wicketkeeper's head for 4 runs. Now it's 8 of 9 deliveries. I mean, there's no wrongdoing from here on, Sachin.
Certainly, 8 runs needed of 9 balls. Nepal have to play really poorly to lose from here. 4 leg byes. Much more convincing. Straight back. 4 consecutive boundaries. And Kushal Malla is finally living up to his expectations. This is what he's known for. He's a nightmare to all the bowlers. It's because he can do this.
If you ball there to Malla, he's gonna hit it over wherever he wants. That's exactly what he's done here. 6, 4, 4 and 4 in the 4 deliveries that he's faced in this over.
Cuts this one. Has he found the gap? Yes, he has. That's the victory for Nepal. Kushal Malla has scored 22 runs in this over to win it from here. This is how he ended the innings and the match and the series. Nepal have got this consolation victory. West Indies have won the series 3-2, but Nepal have come back really well. Kushal Malla finally has some runs under his belt. Rohit Paudel, the captain, didn't have to do much today.